All right, I'm Jordan with Modern Roofing. We're here at 138 Springfrost Drive for Mr. Oxley. We're going to attempt a repair attempt on an isolated shingle. We have a wind damaged shingle here that you see is missing. We will be taking 1, 2, and 3 out. The shingle for the repair, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 will be what we're manipulating. We will show you some of the damages here that we have on the roof. There's open coverage for. We had 6 wind damaged shingles open coverage for.
So on the upper front portion, we've got at least 5. We've got those 3 right there, along with that one, and the one we're going to be doing a repair attempt on. Right slope here on the second story, the upper front portion, do have 2 creased unsealed shingles right there. Again, that was the right slope. Left slope, we did not have wind damage shingles, but we do have woven valleys here connecting these slopes, especially when you look at this one. This shingle takes us up underneath and onto the left slope. On the lower front portion, we do have 7 wind damage shingles. We got 2 down there, creased. We got some missing there, some creased there, more missing there. You can see the creasing on those. All of them are unsealed. And then here on the back, we did have 1 creased wind damage shingle. Appears it was missed during the initial inspection. It's creased along the top, and we do have an unsealed tab right there. That is, again, on the back slope. Prior repairs on this roof, and if we take a look at it, we do have tearing and sealing issues after those prior repairs. Here you can see the mat transfer was so bad it tore a hole through the shingle, which is why we're out here investigating whether or not this roof can sustain an individual shingle coverage. Here we see, torn shingle. Again, this is not connected to the loss, but rather evidence of whether or not this roof can sustain individual shingle coverage as written. All right,
We're going to start this repair. We'll start by unsealing the other 2 shingles. Here on the nail line. Nail line tear again. We do have a shingle fracture. Trying to remove this nail. Take a picture of that and mark it. These shingles are very brittle. I'm trying to remove this. There's the old shingle. show some close-up videos. These shingles that tore on the nail line right here. You do have some shingle rip at that nail line, as well as okay. Put this new shingle in. We do have a healthy shingle with a healthy tar line that we're about to insert. piece of chalk.
All right, looking at this this repair attempt. After the repair, we do have bruising to the shingle, fractures along the edge line, bruising below right there.
Sit this down.
Hot day, obviously you can see the sweat on the shingles. These tar lines should be sealing almost immediately. If we take a look at this on this tab here, I mean, it's already grabbing it. You can see it's lifting the new shingle. It's not sealing down below. It's not sealing up above. We're gonna have sealing issues as a result. We noticed that there on the back on those prior repairs. An individual shingle repair can't restore this roof to a pre-loss condition without damaging above and below the repair. Do have some creasing along the top of this. You can see it along the top. I don't know if that was in camera or not, but you do have creasing along the top of that. No, we do have appears creasing below it. Bruising in here. Consequential damages above and below the repair. This roof can't sustain it. We had ripping at the nail line where those shingles are secured. This is not a functional repair and is not repairable. We'll get photos submit with all of this. Thank you.